next question. Someone asked me to ask the Rabbi. We learn in Parashah Balak that Bilaam, was able to see the point in time that the decree of judgment was most severe in order to curse, and that time was somewhere in between 1 a.m. and sunrise. The question was if the sages had somehow identified a period in which the decree of mercy or kindness was the most powerful, and if there's anything that can be done throughout that time frame in order to receive the most brachas.
First of all, I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure that it was from 1 a.m. to sunrise. It is from Talmud Brachas. I don't exactly remember what we said for sure. In the Talmud, it's a moment is a rega. So and they discuss how long is this moment. So it's one rega is like 1 second, and one is 1/600th of the second, 6,000, 60 thousandths of a second. So it's tiny split moment, as been said. Even 1 second. Forget about all of this other opinion. Not forget, with due respect to all of the opinions, let's say even 1 second. So, but we don't know when this second is. So usually I would say it's before the midnight, like logically. So from nightfall until Jewish midnight, it's a time of judgment, and from the midnight until the sunrise is actually from to the dawn, right? From the midnight to the dawn is a time for mercy. So that's why all of our big and holy rabbis, and not only rabbis, people, they would go to sleep earlier, like after Marif, like early, and then wake up after the midnight. And it's the same that David, of course, he was one of them. It says that he would wake up after midnight, when he has an harp, like facing special way, and the wind that comes on midnight would play on the harps, right? So okay, they slept like outside without windows or whatever was it, right? So that's actually from midnight and until the dawn. So that's time for mercy. But I would say person, of course it's good, but some people have to work. So for them, like lose an hour of sleep or 15 minutes. And some people are very, very sensitive. I know people very, very sensitive. How sensitive? Like half an hour. For some people, half an hour sleep, of lack of sleep, half an hour, it's a disaster to them physically. I mean, because the constitution of the body is so fragile. So for them, it's disaster. For the other person, okay, plus, he would say or she would say, if you're serious, half an hour plus, minus, who cares? I do that. Okay, you do what you do. But for the other people, it's very serious. So they cannot get up from midnight until the dawn. So I would say just if a person does the will of Hashem, it does not say that anywhere in the Chumash or Hashem said if you're going to pray in this time, it's going to be good. No, he said if you're going to do my will, it's going to be good. I'm going to bless you with everything. So you can do not only specific time, specific second, specific half a second, but if you do like the whole day, you're going to conduct yourself properly. That's the biggest gula to have a mercy from Hashem. And of course, be merciful to others who deserve the mercy. Right? We had this clip, Miss Mercy. So, and it was actually addressed to specific person, actually to two, but now it's only one left on our channel, commenting very much, and then that person picked up that it's about this Miss Mercy. So she started asking many other questions. Very interesting. She did not admit, but that she got it. But like under that video, she left three messages. Miss Mercy, right? So you have to be merciful. We explain only when Hashem said that you must be merciful. You must be merciful, right? If it's a tzaddik, you must be merciful. Like you not merciful. You have to judge somebody give somebody benefit of the doubt, right? Benefit of the doubt, absolutely. To tzaddik, benefit of the doubt. Somebody from Amisecha, from my nation, absolutely. If the person is baining, he's in the middle. Sometimes he does something good, sometimes in the middle. But if we have any opportunity to judge him fairly, it's a must. If it looks like more that he did something wrong, and we witness, so we should give him benefit of the doubt, but not obligated, right? And the third category is a sinner, so you're not obligated, you're not allowed to give him benefit of the doubt. Actually, you have to blame him. Whatever happened, it's his fault. You understand? So that's so again mercy, but sometimes mercy is misplaced. Many times mercy is misplaced. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.